I'm Justin Bach, Product Development Manager here at Bucknines at the 2018 SHOT Show. I've got some great new products here I want to show you. Part of our hunting line is the Selector. Selector 2.0 is a great addition to the original Selector that was released several years ago. And we've continued a habit of launching a couple of new blade shapes every year. New blade shape this year is the small game and the clip blade, and that's in addition to the round nose blade, drop point with serration, the hoof pick, and the gutting blade. So the way this works, we have a nice, easy folding knife system with the added feature of being able to go and remove a blade and put in a different blade there. If you're uncomfortable grabbing onto the blade, we have this blade sleeve to protect your fingers, clips on there. Now you can go and get a real nice grip all the way on that blade. You're not going to have to worry about cutting yourself.